Hello everyone and welcome. Today I want to share a short story with a simple but powerful life lesson. It's told in easy English, so it's perfect for listening practice and improving your language skills. Once, a wise teacher held up a glass of water and asked his students, "How heavy is this?" Answers ranged from 8 ounces to a pound. The teacher replied, "The absolute weight doesn't matter. It depends on how long I hold it. If I hold it for a minute, it's light. If I hold it for an hour, my arm will ache. If I hold it for a day, my arm will feel numb and paralyzed. The glass of water is like your worries and stresses. Hold them for a short while, and they're manageable. But hold them all day long, and they become unbearable. Remember to put the glass down." Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more stories.